The Environment Coordination Committee (ECC) of Elaka Sutnga is an organization which has been trying to do away with the entire coke plants existing in the Elaka, where within 1 year it has received a lot of positive outcome from its activities. Speaking to media persons, the legal advisor of the ECC, Reading War, said that the fight against the existence of coke factories in the Elaka for over a year has yielded good outcome, where according to the affidavit filed by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board (Mspcb), there are 29 coke factories that have been served letters of refusal to consent due to various reasons. As per the RTI received from the board, there were more than 50 coke factories existing in the Elaka. He also informed that during the hearing of the National Green Tribunal recently, they have asked the Mspcb to submit details of the environment compensation and others for violation of the environmental norms by these coke plants. Further, Reading War informed that the NGT has asked the Mspcb to carry on regular check during the night so as to enable for the board to take strict action against airing coke plant owners. He further reiterated that the Minister of Environment and Forests, along with the Mspcb, should pass an order to all 29 plant proprietors to shut down the coke plants within the stipulated period.
Bat nilayo ru ya hijingtip lengba ki affidavit ki bala file lengba jongka Mspcb ladan kumba akunditely ki coke plant lani kini ki units ki ba la ai ya ka refusal of consent ha ki dog ba per te ha ka kum ga art ai ke batmai bangila yo na ka Mspcb kila don kumba sampiotli kinegi units niki coke plant ki bala don hapo Elaka ni hapo jong district ki barok away to conduct a regular check during the night, and it is a duty of the Mspcb as the regulatory authority and to take action against the airing coke units. We demand from the Chief Minister, from the concerned Minister in charge of the Forest and Environment Department, as well as from the Mspcb to pass a directive order, and giving a notice to all the proprietors of these 29 units to dismantle their coke plants or their plants within stipulated times.